So ito, additional lang. Ideally kasi the main principle of filmmaking is how will you be able to tell a story through moving pictures? No? Ideally speaking, you don't need to say anything or you don't need to explain it. The moving pictures should be able to tell the whole story. Whereas, kung meron na tayong ginagamit na mga like introduction na mga like introduction na explaining kung anong susunod na mangyayari, it will look like an episodic TV crime show with dramatization. Ganon yung halos nangyari. Ganon karaniwan ang ginawa ninyo. 99%. No? Halos lahat kayo ganon. Mas tatawagin ko siyang episodic TV show with dramatization. Hindi siya film. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng tawagin na film festival. And so kaya nga, mas ganun ang dating niya at mas mukhang parang school report using film as a tool. But all in all, kung ganun ang standard natin gagawin, ang galing nyo lahat. Sobrang galing nyo lahat. Kaya lang I have still to stick with the principle and the standard of filmmaking. Ayan yun. So kaya yun yung naging basis ko ng pag-score. Thank you so much again for listening.